Behind me is our new 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance, and with the helps of Twraps, I was able to get some accessories to protect this Model Y. I have used many of their products on my 2022 Model X long range, and the quality of the products are amazing. The packaging is beautiful, and overall, I'm very happy with it. Now, I don't get paid to make this video, but I do get these items for free so that I can install and review them. So if you guys do want to end up getting these products, if you visit Twraps' website and you order these products and use the code POGAuto, you will save 10% from your order. I don't get any commission if you use the code or you make a purchase. I only just got these items for free so that I could review it. Here's how we ended up protecting our new Model Y. We have the taillight clear paint protection film that's installed on it. It was a very easy to install. It is a two-piece, so this is a separate piece than this one. So you got to do your best to try and align them. There is some bubbles here and there that most of them should get away over time. Twraps has a lot of videos showing you guys how to do the proper install. Here's the other side. This is also separate film than this one. Brought a nice gloss to the taillights. It's also protecting them. This one seems like I've done a way better job. With this kit, you also get these protection for the bumper lights. I don't think this install looks great because these reflectors have like letters that are sticking out so that it kind of looks like this. So I tried my best to get rid of it, and I ended up accidentally ripping the protection film. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, especially since they're not really lights. I just don't really like the look of it where it's like that. So let me know, guys, what do you think? But it's nice that it's included in the taillight kit. Next here we have the door sills protection. This is the glossy finish one. With the Model Y, you don't really have any door sills, so whoever gets in and out of your car, they're gonna be hitting your paint. So protecting this is very important. It was very easy to do, and I'm very happy that the paint is protected there. The coolest one is actually the one that says Model Y right here. Putting the glossy protection on top of this makes this so much more inviting, and it just looks so much nicer than the matte finish. I do have those door sill protection on my Model X, and I just wish I got the glossy one. Here's what the matte looks like. Yeah, I think the glossy one looks better. Let me know, guys, what do you think? We have the door edge protection that wraps around, so this whole part is protected. So let's say you open up your door and you accidentally hit the wall in your garage. This is what's hitting, not the paint, so it will be protected. And when the car gets dirty, it's not really that easy to see the line. It's almost invisible. The reason I only put it on the driver door is just to show it to you guys. Because I'm getting PPF for the entire car, I just didn't want to waste this protection film. So I might just end up putting those on the GLCs. I also ended up installing the headlight protection as well as the fog light protection. I'm not sure what I did wrong here. I might have stretched it, or I didn't have enough solution underneath it. And there's that kind of stain that's visible at some angles. Other than that, at least the headlights are protected, and just a little bit of bubble here and there. Most should disappear. If not, I just poke a hole on it, and then I should be able to take the remaining moisture out. There's the door sills. Again, I think the glossy finish makes this look so much nicer. And being a protection film, you don't have to worry about it being scratched up or anything. There's also the protection here for the other side. Little bit of bubble here, but overall pretty good. Also ended up installing the screen protector. This matte screen protector, guys, it is just amazing. Like, there's no glare, but the quality is just beautiful. There's no any like fogginess to it or anything. Overall, I'm very happy with this screen protector, and I highly recommend you guys to get this. So that was the quick review of the protections I've ended up installing on our 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance. If you guys are trying to get yourself some of these accessories, remember to use the code POGAuto so you'll save 10% from your order. That being said, I'll see you guys next time.